Presenting the Chevrolet 2016 Silverado 1500 LT. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 4-wheel drive, power steering, ABS, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, tires, front all-season tires, rear all-season, conventional spare tire and tow hooks. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.